guys, it's Rory here from DLS.CompHacks, and today I will be showing you how to get right click on your computer like this, or inside somewhere like that, and yeah, so let's get into it. First, you are going to need to be able to access the registry editor, and to be able to do that you will need run, and I can simply press Windows R and this will pop up, but I know that does not work for people without administrator rights, so you're going to need this. It's a key, and you run it through here. But to get this, you're going to need something called a Windows 7 start menu. I'm pretty sure lots of people know what that looks like. It's just a Windows 7 version of a start menu, and to get that I will put a link in the description. Just so you know, you cannot download it at school because obviously they've blocked it. Not the actual site is not blocked, so you can get onto the site and look at their products, but when you click on download, it just says redirecting notice, and you cannot download it. So I suggest that you either get this start menu off a friend, or you download it at home. Okay, and as you can see, I've just got the Apple here. If I click on this, it might take a while to load, but hopefully it doesn't. And of course, in the description, I will be leaving pretty much everything you need. So download links. I'll leave this key that you need. Okay, so once you've done that, where's it gone? Okay, so once you've done that, you'll have this, except it will look cooler because mine looks a bit messed up because it's up here. But yeah, once you clicked on that, this will pop up, and you can click on run right here, and this will pop up. It won't be blocked. I don't know why it works for the Windows 7 and not the other way, but it works like this. Who cares? So once you've done that, you're going to want to copy this. It will be in the description, obviously. Control C, or you can just right click and copy, exit, and then in here you're going to paste it, which is Control V, or obviously right click and paste, and then click OK. And then this will pop up. It'll say Y or N overwrite, and just press Y and hit enter. Once that's done, you don't need that key anymore because that's just been put into your system, and yep, that's done. So once you've done that, you're gonna go run, and you're gonna go red edit.exe. So reg for registry editor. That's just what it's called, regedit.exe. Okay, so what you're gonna do, some people can go like this, can go find and type in no control. I don't like doing that because sometimes it takes a while to find it, unless you click on this and click find here, and it will only search in this one, which is quicker. But an even quicker way, so you go down here, click on HKCU current user, and then go, where is it, software, and then down in software you've got to click on Microsoft, and of course Microsoft owning Windows, Microsoft comes before Windows instead of Windows then Microsoft. So Microsoft, and then you'll see Windows, click on Windows, current version, and then in current version you'll find one called policies. You want to open that and click on Explorer. I'll just make this big. Okay, once you're in Explorer, you'll find all of these, and you want to change every single one of these to 0. The only ones you don't want to change to 0, to 0, is these two here. And as you can see, it's no nethood and no network connections. No network connections, pretty much. It's just, I don't know. I've never changed them to 0. I was always told not to, or when I learnt this, which was quite a while ago. I was told not to turn these to 0 because it'll stuff up my internet, and especially using my netbook at school, I do not want to stuff up my school internet, because then I'll get in trouble if anyone finds out that my school internet's down and I have to take it to the tech guys to fix it. Because once I did change these, and then it didn't work, so I changed it back to 0. And once that happened, I changed it back to 1 and it didn't do anything, so do not do that. Okay, so you're just going to change everything to 0 except for these two. And the only reason I have this one on 1 is because I don't even use the favorites menu. And also, this no drive type auto run, leave that on 255. I recognized the other day mine was on 1 something. Yep, just leave that one as it is. And yeah, change all of these to 0. And instead of just exiting, you can go File, Export, and type in and then save. And obviously you can see mine here, settings change .reg. It's a file of a registry file. So yep, and then you're gonna wanna open it to wherever you saved it, which is here, and double click on it and click OK. Once that's done, some people might have to log off or shut down and restart, whatever. Other people, they can just right click straight away. I don't know why, but some people can and some people can't. So yeah, and thanks for watching. If you want to know how to get anything else, subscribe, comment and rate. My next video will be on how to get different themes. Mainly I'll be looking at, my next video will be how to get the Mac OS X theme, like how I've got it with the dock down here, and if I click on this, with the dock down there, and this bar up the top, which lots of people are familiar with. It's got the Mac symbols and everything. It's got the Mac start menu, which I don't really use at all, but you know. So just a Mac. If you want that, obviously watch it, and yeah. And then the one after that, I might, if you guys like, comment, I might do a tutorial on how to get Windows 7. The only reason I don't have Windows 7 is because I had it before I had a Mac, and then I changed this into a Mac. I can't be stuffed changing it back. Personally, I like Windows 7 better. The only reason for that is because it's more bright and vibrant, and it's more like, you know, this Mac's all dark and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe.